So here you can see this is a hub motor kit, so which is specially designed for gear cycles. And you can see here these are the sensor brakes and controller. You can see this is a intelligent controller, and this is a throttle, so where they are providing with ignition key. So by switching on, you can see how much battery level it will show indicates. And you can see the spoke, and you can see here this is a light and horn, and this is a main wire, so where we can connect all these sensor brakes and accelerator to this wire, and this is goes to directly to the controller. And here these are the switch for light and horn, and this is a pedal assist. This is a controller box, so it will protect from rain days everything. And this is a battery, so you can see this battery, and this comes with 36 volts 7.5 amperes. So this is a charger which they are providing, so lithium ion charger. You can get all this kit from Volt e-Bike, so you can visit volteBike.in and just book your kit and get home delivery.